Hey everyone, I'm just going to show you the exhaust cutout valve for my 2015 Mazda 6 that we've installed recently. So let's go into the car here. You can see it's the stock muffler, and then we got the cutout there. So let's go under here. So this is a QTP kit. There we go, it's focused. So basically what this comes with is this exhaust the splitter here, the Y pipe I think it's called, and you can just slip that in place, and then it comes with the electronic cutout valve there, and then this turn down that's adjustable, and you can set it to where you want. And so basically what I did is I measured this, I cut here and I cut about here, and then that slips in that kit, and then all you have to do is put the wire, I put it up there. Then if we go around here, you can still see it, and then in there, and then eventually, so this is the back left wheel. There's a little grommet here that I put it through, and then that eventually leads to inside the trunk, and then you can go put it to the front of the car there. So let's go in the car now. Got the keys. So basically how I wired it was it's under this guy. It goes to the trunk where that grommet was, and then I wired it up here, and then I have this little distribution block up here that I wire all my positive negative accessories to. And then you can see I have the little switch here to either open or close the cutout. And let's see if we can see behind. It's really hard to see, but that's the end of the switch there. It's a little big, but basically I just cut a hole in there, and then yeah, it comes with two little washers here, or you can screw them in so it's nice and secure. And then I just attach that to the positive and negative I have right there. So where that positive and negative is coming right there is from the 12 volts. This guy, I had to rip out my dash to get to that, but it's wired to that. So yeah, and I'll get some exhaust clips for you in just a second here.